आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी ऑडियो के साथ मेरे अल्टरनेट चैनल youtube.com/md मुदस्सिर आलम पर देख सकते हैं। You can watch this video with Hindi audio on my alternate channel youtube.com/md मुदस्सिर आलम channel. Welcome to my channel. This is Career Master Muhammad Mudassir Alam. Hope you are all right, you are safe, you are taking proper care of yourself. Many of you are asking the regular question regarding the admission process for the academic session 2020-21-2022 for the central universities. In this exclusive video, I will share the details what kind of admission process this time the universities will adopt after the order of UGC University Grants Commission regarding cancellation of CUSET 2021. Many of you are getting confused. Many of you are asking the question, there will be no any CUSET this year? No, there is a thin line of difference between CUSET 2021-2022. I will clear all the dots in this exclusive video, but before proceeding ahead, I am requesting you to watch this video till end. Like this video, share this video with others, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for getting the latest updates about admission. First of all, let me clarify what is CUSET 2021. CUSET 2021 was a proposal, that was the proposal of Ministry of Education for conducting one combined test for admission in all the central universities across India as per the 31st March 2021 list of UGC. There are 54 central universities across India, that includes normal central universities as well as technical universities, internationally funded universities. So out of 54, as if you will go through the list I have already shared, there are only 29 to 30 universities that were supposed to participate in CUSET 2021, but after the tweet as well as circular of University Grants Commission, it is clear that CUSET 2021 will not be conducted. Now a common question asked by many of you regarding CUSET, regarding the possibilities of CUSET, there would be any CUSET this year or not? The answer is there would be CUSET. There are chances of having CUSET, but that CUSET not be conducting, that will be not be conducted for all the central universities, that may be conducted for the 14 central universities and 4 state universities based on the pattern of CUSET 2020. The Central University of Rajasthan as usual may be the nodal university of conducting the CUSET 2021. The number of universities may increase or decrease for this year. I hope the number of universities will increase because many of the universities have not started the preparation for admission process because of the earlier decision of the Minister of Education, that the statement were released time to time regarding the CUSET 2021. Now the CUSET 2021 is not going to be conducted, so you can hope very soon the CUSET 2021 by Central University of Rajasthan, that would be participated by 14 or more central universities, may be released very soon. So you have to wait for that. I am assuring you that this year CUSET will be happen, but that will be happen in the old pattern. New pattern CUSET may be implemented by next year. For other universities, as you know, the many universities have already started their application process, admission process. The universities that are left over, they may start their admission process very soon. So after watching this video, I think all your doubts regarding CUSET are over. If you are having any kind of confusion, any kind of query, question, you may ask your question below. Thanks a lot. Please keep on watching my channel. All the best for your career. All the best for admission in the university of your choice.